Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix Slack API Auth.test Endpoint error codes. This error usually happens when the token is incorrect, expired, or not linked to the correct workspace. First, confirm that you are in the correct workspace. This is important because tokens only work inside their assigned workspace. Next, open your browser, go to api.slack.com and open your Slack API settings. Click on your app and make sure you select the correct app. After that, go to OAuth and permissions. Scroll down until you see OAuth token. Make sure you are using the bot Auth token that starts with xoxb. If the token is different or outdated, copy the correct one from here. After confirming the correct token, reinstall your app by clicking Reinstall to Workspace, then follow the reinstallation prompt. Finally, go back to your request or tool and try again using the updated xoxb token. That's it. We just learned how to fix the Slack API Auth.test Endpoint error. You can fix it by verifying the correct workspace, confirming the bot token, and reinstalling the app to refresh authentication. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.